Alright, so here's number 12 from paper 1 from 2014. So we've got a child's toy, consists of the hemisphere, this part down here, with a right circular cone on top. That's this piece. The height of the cone is 12 centimeters, the radius of the base is 5 centimeters, and the toy is painted red. That's super important. Okay, probably not, but it does ask us to calculate the area of the that's painted red. So anyway, so first thing, calculate the length L of the slant height of the cone. So that's a nice little right angle right here. So we're just going to do our 12 squared plus 5 squared. That's 5 equals C squared, right? Or in this case, I guess we should put L squared. So 144 plus 25 equals L squared, and that's 169, which is L squared. Square root both of these, and we get that our L is 13 centimeters. So length of the slant height of the cone, 13 centimeters. Put your label on there and just make sure you get all your points. Okay. Part B. Obviously, you'd want to do this working down in here so that you can get some get credit. I'm just showing it up here because there's not enough room down here. Okay, calculate the area that's painted red. So we want to come up with our the surface area of the cone and the surface area of this hemisphere, right? So we need the formulas for that. So I magically have them here. So surface area of the sphere, 4 pi r squared. So let's do that over here. So area. Let's do SA, surface area, is going to equal our sphere, and actually it's just half the sphere, right? So it's 4 pi r squared divided by 2, right? And then we're going to add on the surface area of the cone, which is pi r L, and L happens to be the slant height, which is what we happen to find here. So how nice of this question A to lead us into question B. Right, so now we're just going to plug and chug, and away we go. So we got 4 pi times our radius here is 5 squared all over 2 plus pi times 5 times 13. All right, so again, we're just going to calculate that out. Let's bring this thing over here so we can see it better. Okay, let's plug this in. 4 times, you would think I'd remember where pi is on here. Why can't I find it? There it is, right here. Second pi times 5 squared. That gives us 314, but we got to divide that by 2. Just in case if I lose it later, let's just put it down here, 157.08 we'll go with. And then we're going to add this part in here, but again, I think we should be able to just add it right on anyway, so let's just not even worry about this jibber jabber over here. So plus pi times 5 times 13. That'll give us the whole shabam here, which is 361.28. But again, now it doesn't ask us to specifically go to round to any certain decimal, so the original instructions were round to the third significant figure, right? So let's go with, we're going to have 361. This is centimeters, and we're talking about area, so centimeters squared should be our answer. The area that's painted red.